So today I will be showing you guys how to unclog a sink if it's obstructed with something, maybe hair, maybe dirt. Could be a kitchen sink, bathroom tub. Doesn't matter, this method is likely to work. We'll be using some basic household items such as salt, baking soda, vinegar, and boiling hot water. Easy. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna identify the clog. So you open the pipe and see that the sink is gonna start filling up with water, and it will take a while for that water to disappear. The water will not go down the drain easily, and the sink will fill up to a point where if you leave the tap open, it's going to overflow. So now that we understand that something is causing an obstruction in the sink, we can remove the remaining water with a cup and then begin our process. You may have to remove it manually because the water won't go down the drain. These are the common household items we will be using: salt, baking soda, vinegar, and a measuring cup. Measuring cup you use because you want to measure at least half a cup of salt and half a cup of baking soda. Now we have our items, our household items, baking soda and salt mixed together. You could put them individually one by one. It won't make a difference, the outcome will be the same. So you add the salt and baking soda mixture into the sink, and then you wait about 10 to 15 minutes to add the vinegar. In this instance, and with this obstruction, I used the combination of baking soda and salt. Like I said, you could use them individually and put them down the drain individually. It wouldn't make a difference, the outcome would be the same. So this combination of household items has been proven to disintegrate materials such as hair, dirt, and scum from dishes. Materials most likely to cause an obstruction down your drain. This mixture has been proven to fix the issue. So here we are pouring the mixture down the drain, and then we waited about 10 to 15 minutes to add the vinegar. After you add the vinegar, it should spark this chemical reaction that will break apart anything that is causing a clog down the drain. At this moment, you can see me add in some vinegar to the baking soda and salt mixture. Clearly you could see some things happening. There's bubbles, there's a reaction going on down there in the drain that we cannot clearly see, but we know that something's happening. Normally after adding the vinegar and seeing the reaction taking place, you would want to wait 15 to 30 minutes before you added the hot water. However, in this particular instance, I'm gonna wait overnight because I feel like it gives the reaction more time to do its thing. And then in the morning, I am going to add the hot water to see if we fixed the obstruction. So we're gonna leave it overnight. Let the salt, the baking soda, and the vinegar do its thing. And then we're going to add the hot water. So here we have our boiling hot water, which means that we are coming to the end of this procedure. We are going to add our boiling hot water to the items that we already added, which was the baking soda, salt, and vinegar. So if I hadn't mentioned this before, the household items that we use today are way less costly, way more efficient, and more effective than any of the other products they have selling on the market right now. I know a lot of these items are said to be effective, but the truth is a lot of them don't work, and this is a way cheaper method in which you could get this done. You don't have to go out there and buy the other products that they're selling simply to unclog a sink. So we poured the hot water down the drain. And now the last step is to make sure that the obstruction was fixed, or the clog was fixed. So we open the tap, we let the water run for a few seconds, maybe a few minutes. And as you can see, the clog has been fixed because the sink is not filling up anymore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.